Okay, open up Power Director 365. That's what I do my video editing with. That's the program. Power Director 365. Here we select the media. Make sure it's highlighted. Now you bring it down to the timeline. There's a highlight. There's bringing it down to the timeline. Let it load up the timeline. Now we're going to find a selection of the video to edit. We'll split it right here. You right click it and then select split. Now you right click it, you select it, and then right click again. Remove, delete and remove all clips. Now we're going to fine tune it right here. Now we're going to edit this part of the video. Split it right here so we can cut out a clip. Jump 1, jump 2, pause it. We'll split it again to make the clip. Now we have to copy this clip. There's the split. We have to left click it to highlight it. Now we want to right click it. Select copy. Now we have to make two more clips of the same thing, two more copies. Put it toward the end, right click, paste, insert, and move all clips. We'll do it one more time. Find the end, right click it, paste, insert, and move all clips. Now the highlighted section, we're going to slow motion it. You do that through the tools section, video speed. See the number 1000. It's loading the timeline. Gotta let it load. See the number 1000. That's your real time. To slow motion that clip in video speed, you have to make the time it takes to play it longer. So it has to play out longer. So we're almost going to double it. It slows it down by half. The number will go from 1000 to 500. I usually do it by half, whether I'm speeding the clip up or slowing it down. I always go half, you know, like you want it slow motion, so you want it to be twice as long. You want to speed it up, you cut it down to half. Jump 1, nice and slow, smooth, still playing back smooth. You always want to test it. So that looks good. There's a slow motion part to edit. Click OK. Now we're going to highlight the section right before it. That's going to be reverse. Highlight that, select tools. Now select video in reverse. That's video in reverse. Now we want to play it back all the time, see what it looks like. There's the reverse part. Now the slow motion. Remember, we tested this when we did it. Looks just like it, no problems. And it goes back to real time. Flawless. Works every time. And that's all we're going to do. That's all we need to do to show you how I do that kind of edit. So we're going to split it and remove the rest of it. and then you produce it.